guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's another day. It's actually the next day from the video that I was with the Jeep crew by myself today, going up to Hot Knob, or actually not by myself. I have my daughter here with me. I don't know, she might be in the video. We're just going up to Hot Knob. I was just wanting to see how the truck done before the snow actually left. It's a pretty steep climb. As you know, you've watched maybe a video or two of me going up Hot Knob just in the normal weather in the past. So it's a steep climb. There's not much snow. I mean, it's about an inch or two, but it's slick. There's been people on this road here, I guess in the last day since it did snow. So it is slick. I have the truck in auto right now. It's actually doing really well. You know, I don't have any problems yet. It hasn't really slid much. We'll see if that changes because it's really icy. But it seems if it's sliding, it's catching itself. There's a couple curved switchbacks here, one coming up right now that we're gonna find out how it does. And there's the rear end slid a little bit there, but it done it good. If I have to switch it down to 4 high, I will. But so far the truck's making a good decision. It's doing good. So just follow along and enjoy the drive. It's gorgeous out. The sun's shining. And the snow is beautiful. So this is a pretty steep part right here. Goodness, the snow is getting a little bit deeper as we get a little bit higher up. I assumed it would, of course, because Hot Knob usually has a lot more snow than when we were. And so as you saw yesterday, there's quite a bit of snow, about 6 inches. I'd say there's probably about 7 or 8 up here. Now there's been people up here, so I'd say it's packed down just a little bit. More so than, you know, it would be if it was nobody. But it looks like people have made it through here. I don't foresee any problems. I did not air down. If I start the slide or have any issues, of course I will do so. Still in auto mode, about halfway up. All right, guys, we're gonna pull this little hill right here. 4 high, no problems. Steep incline. Truck's doing great. Here we are about, a little over midways up here. A little over midways, I'd say. Truck's not having any problems, getting a little bit deeper in the snow. Less tracks, it seems. I don't know, maybe some people didn't come all the way up, I don't know. But truck's not struggling. Doing good. Not really much slipping at all. Gorgeous here in a second as I'll show you the rear camera as we get to the top here. This was beautiful. It's gorgeous up here, guys. Here in a second, I'm going to put the drone up and show you what it looks like from the sky.
back around.
There you get up there. I mean, we can get up there. You want to try it?
Okay, fine.
I don't know. It might be icy. But it does look like it'd be a beautiful scene up there.
It does, but also, I don't know. If you want to try it, we can try it.
Let's see how bad it is.
We did it! Yay!
Yep.
We did it! And it's a beautiful scene.